It's recording. Keep doing it though. He's like, oh, oh.
Dude, look at all his skin right there. Come here. Look at it. Look at it. Look.
Oh my god, he's so fat.
That's so gross.
Oh.
Look at it. Look at it. What is he doing?
Sup? Sup?
No, not the butt. You're supposed to dust the house with this thing. Okay. What are you doing now?
Okay, bye, Primo.